All right, good morning, students. I'm Mr. R, and this is,
Hello guys, I'm Miss M.
and today we are going to be learning about onset and rhyme. And onset is the initial phonological or sound or letter that starts in a single syllable words, we are going to be working on today. And the rhyme is the string of letters that follow the onset, so the words after the onset. The Common Core standard for this lesson is blend and segment onset and rhymes of single syllable words. The objective of this lesson is students will be able to learn about the onset of a word which is followed by the rhyme. In addition, students will be able to develop their phonemic and phonological awareness by distinguishing phonemes, sounds, and focus how sounds are organized into syllables by doing various activities and worksheets. All right, students, so before we begin with our lesson, we are going to watch this short music video of onset and rhyme to give you guys a short preview of what we are going to be doing today.
Hip hop with your hands. What? Hip hop with your head. Yo! Hip hop with your hips. What? Hip hop and make words like this. Put your hands in the air, boys and girls. Left to right, let's make words. When I say d, you say uck. When I say d, you say uck. D, uck, d. Up. Together we've got duck. When I say zzz, you say ooh. When I say zzz, you say ooh. Zzz, ooh, zzz, ooh. Together we've got zoo. When I say k, you say ow. When I say k, you say ow. Ow! Ow! Together we've got cow. When I say you say unkies. When I say you say unkies. 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 Together we've got monkeys. Hip hop with your hands. What? Hip hop with your head. Yo! Hip hop with your hips. What? Hip hop and make words like this. One arm out front, boys and girls. Left to right, let's make words. When I say ch, you say icken. When I say ch, you say icken. Ch, icken.
Now we are going to be making some words with the at family. So words that end with at, A-T. Single or single syllable words that end with the rhyme at is what I mean. So the first onset we have here is C, and we have the rhyme at. And if we join the onset C and the rhyme at together, we get the word cat, at. Next up, we have the onset R and the rhyme at. If we blend the onset R and the rhyme at, we get the word rat, rat. Next up, we have the onset B, which makes the sound b, b. And if we join that together with the rhyme at, we get the word bat, bat. Next up, we have the onset M, M. And And if we join that together with the rhyme at, we get the word mat, mat. And what we just did right now is we blended the onset to make a new word. For example, we changed onset C to onset R to make the word rat. And then we changed the onset R from R to B to make the word bat. And then we changed the onset B to M to make the word mat. And do you guys notice a pattern that for all the words we kept the same line at, because family we are working with. And we are going to move on to our next activity. All right, now we are going to segment or break apart letters of a single syllable word. So for toy, we have 3 letters that correspond with 3 sounds. So for letter T, the sound will be t, t, and then O, t, O, O, t, and then Y, t, t, O, Y, oy. And if you join those 3 sounds together, we get the word toy, t, O, oy, toy. Next up, we have letter D, letter O, and letter G. And the sound that letter D makes is d, 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 d. And then O, d, uh, uh, and then G, d, d, d. And if we join the sounds together, we get dog, dog, dog. Next up, we have letter S, letter U, and letter N. So the sound that letter S makes is s, s, and then U, s, uh, s, uh, and then N, s, mm, s, which gives, if we join these 3 sounds together, we get the word sun, sun. And then next up, we have letter R, E, D. So the sound that R makes is and then E, R, eh, and then D, 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 D. And if we join these sounds together, we get the word red. And all of these words are single syllable words. And we are going to move on to our next activity.
Excellent job so far, guys. We are going to be moving on and checking for your understanding. As Mr. R just explained what both an onset and a rhyme is, this worksheet, we're going to be finding the onset. Can you guys tell me what the onset is? Correct. It is the letter at the beginning of a word. So if we take a look at our worksheet, in the first top square, we see a picture of a cat. And right below the cat are the letters or the onsets. Letter C for k, k, the letter M for and the letter R for r. If we are spelling the word cat, cat, can you guys tell me which onset letter you think we need to spell cat? Correct, it is C. That's why it shows a little gray circle around the letter C. If we look to the right square, we see a picture of a bear holding a mop. Mop. Which do you think do we need to circle? Is it the letter P? Is a bear holding pop? No. Is the bear holding a bop? No. So it's not letter B, it's letter M for mop. Okay. This time, I want you guys to look at the picture of a cow. Cow. We have the letter C for k, k, the letter P, 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 and the letter R for R. If we are spelling the word cow, which onset letter do you think we should circle to spell the word cow? Correct. It is the letter C. K, k, cow. The next four, we have a picture of a hen, a pig, a cat, and a dog. I want you guys to try to find the onset we need or that is missing. And me and Mr. I will walk around and help you guys. Good job, guys. We are going to be moving on. Now we're going to be doing our guided practice. We are going to be blending words together and making words that end in at family. This is going to be an oral blending activity where you guys will repeat after me and Mr. R. So watch me, and then I'll ask you guys to repeat with me. If I have the word map, map, map. This time you guys with me. Map. Good job. Now, instead of saying the word map, we are gonna say the word tap, tap. So watch me. Tap. Can you guys do it with me? Tap. Tap. Good job. Once more. Tap. Tap. Good job. Sorry. We are going to be segmenting sight words by snapping our fingers as we say each sound of a letter and clapping our hands when we say the whole word. I will start off first and then I will have you guys repeat with me. This time I'm going to be using the word nap. 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 Once more. Nap. Nap. So remember, I am snapping as I sound out each letter, and then we'll clap to say the whole word. This time I want you guys to do it with me and Mr. R. N, a, p, nap. N, a, p, nap. Good job. This time, instead of doing or saying the word nap, we are going to do the word tap. Tap. So with me, tap, 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 tap. Excellent job, guys. Moving on, just like we were doing, breaking apart and snapping and clapping to say the whole word. This time, I would like you guys to do the word pet. Pet. Can we break apart the word pet by snapping and clapping to say the whole word? Show me. Pet. 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 Once more. Pet. Pet. Good job. Moving on, we are going to be doing independent practice. So we are going to be working on an onset and rhyme worksheet activity, but this time you guys will be completing it by yourself. I will explain and then I'll let you guys try to complete it on your own. Our worksheet looks like this. Instead of circling the onset, you guys are going to be drawing a line from the onset to the correct rhyme. On the left side of your page, closest to the image, we have the onset. So we have the letter B for B, B, the letter T, 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 the letter C for K, K, letter P, 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 the letter H, and the letter D for D, D. And on the right side, we have a rhyme for op, ow, ig, og, at, and n. The first one has been completed for us. It shows a picture of a bat, bat. So they have drawn from the onset B to the rhyme at to create the word bat. The rest of the images are top, cow, pig, hen, and dog. I want you guys to find or match the correct onset to the rhyme to make a word. So we're going to give you some time and we will check back in with you shortly. Now that me and Mr. R have given you some time, we're going to be collecting your guys' worksheet and seeing if you have correctly matched your onset to the correct rhyme. So the onset letters, we have B, T, C, P, H, and D. On your guys' worksheets, we should have correctly matched the onsets to create the words bat, top, cow, pig, hen, and dog. Excellent job so far, guys. To check for further understanding, we would like to implement the snap and clap technique using the words we have created from the independent practice worksheet. So for example, bat. Watch me, b, at, bat, b, at, bat. Can you guys do it with me? B, at, bat. Good job. We're going to be breaking apart and blending the rest of the words for top, cow, pig, hen, and dog. Half of the class on this side, you guys will go with Mr. R, and this half of the class will come with me. I would like you guys to choose one word and snap and clap. Excellent job, guys. You guys are doing really good. Keep up the good work. Now we have reached the end of our lesson. Before I do end the lesson, I would like to ask you guys, what is something you learned today? By a show of hands, can you tell me what did you learn today? Or what was your favorite part of the activity or lesson? Did you like the video at the beginning with Jack Hartman? Did you like the worksheet activities we did? Anything you would like to share? Excellent job, guys. Very proud of you guys. Keep up the good work.